Look at the details of Huawei's foldable computer. It's designed so you don't struggle when opening it. A light lift with your finger and it pops up, both thoughtful and premium. The Huawei MateBook Fold, a true masterpiece, has 5 more details you'll only discover once you get your hand on it. It boots up incredibly fast, you might even miss the startup animation. It has a floating water drop hinge, a dual-layer OLED screen with 3.3K resolution, and a built-in physical keyboard that attaches magnetically with one click. If you think this screen ratio isn't big enough, it also comes with a small keyboard in the box. The back has a built-in stand. See, isn't this more versatile? This way, viewing images or professional content gives you a wider and more complete field of vision. Also, for my daily video editing, I can directly slide and drag, preview in real time, and drag and drop footage, effectively breaking the boundaries of traditional computer. Editing PPTs, previewing on one side while researching on the other with 2 screens, efficiency feels more than doubled. Watching videos is also more enjoyable, with full screen and split screen modes easily switchable with a single gesture. You can even directly tell Celia, help me create a PPT for corporate AI planning. Look, it generates it automatically. The 8-finger touch to summon the keyboard is very responsive and smooth. The logic for opening and closing is very ergonomic. Also, the default keyboard skin is this Dion Kong, hidden treasure style, still premium. The keyboard's vibration feedback is excellent, giving it a very mechanical feel, and you can also set it to a floating mode according to your preference. Switching between the upper and lower screens is very smooth. You can close applications by touch or use gestures at the very bottom. And the horizontal and vertical switching on this large screen is also very immersive. At the same time, it aims to free your hand. Gestures can take screenshots and you can swipe up and down. Since it's already an all-in-one device, the experience is even more immersive. The heat dissipation is very well designed, with 6 large heat dissipation ports on the top, sides, and bottom. The details are also very refined. Such an extraordinary foldable computer. Do you like it?